Okay. Hi everybody. Ano ngayon? Labor Day, kaya hindi traffic sa labas. But I'm outside. Oh, do you like my new hair? Naku, nagpa-short hair ako, people. Wait. Hi Justin, did you see the PBB auditions this year? I saw it online. I wasn't there physically. This is sunscreen, tapos ubos na siya, wala na ako ma-pump, so I have to I have to do this. Medyo kadire, pero sa mukha ko lang naman to dumadampi. So it should be okay. Hi, Abby girl. Look at my neck. Oh, sa init yan. Can you see the redness? And then after I put on my sunscreen, I reapply every 2 hours. It's a must, especially sa init na to. It's a must. It's sunscreen. Tapos hindi na siya lumalabas sa pump, so I have to finish it this way kasi sayang. Sa face ko lang naman to dumadampi. So, hindi ko naman siya sinishare with people. Pero, medyo kadiri pa din, honestly. Okay. Wait. I'm also red here. Ayun, medyo nagbabalat ako para akong snake. Tapos, dapat maglagay din tayo sa ating nape. Nape is the batok. You also have to put sunscreen sa nape. Ganyan. Hello Justin, pa-shout out dito. Dati ako nakakakit sa live mo sa Who. Hi Kenlyn Vicente. How are you? Hindi na ako nagkukumu eh. Ano na yon? It's an end of an era. Char. I don't do it anymore. Before, I do it, but like not now. Kasi tapos na ang aking sa Kumu contract. Hi Justin, shout out naman. Hi Simply Lenny. How are you, Simply Lenny? I hope you're happy today. This is a bruise kasi nagpa-derma ako last week, so this is a bruise that I have here. Tapos hindi pa siya nagsasubside, so I'm sad about that. I need tissue, so kailangan ko ng tissue kasi i-wipe natin to. Ako yung ayoko nang may excess na mga sa lotion or whatever. Yung gusto ko it's like clean sa labas. Na po nila live. Hindi na ako nag-live sa Kumu. I don't really do live streaming anymore. It's just ito lang panaka-naka na nag-live ako sa Instagram or sa TikTok or whatever. Anong ganap, Justin? Oh, we are in a construction site, so we're just inspecting. Well, I'm not inspecting. I'm gonna inspect. Oh my God! Hello, Mother Lily Yu. Ano gusto mo yung vlog ko? What do you want me to vlog? Okay, it's close na. Oh, si Mother Lily Yu. Alam mo, maganda ang history namin ni Mother Lily Yu. Dati hindi niya ako gusto. Dati hate niya ako. Ngayon, si Mother Lily Yu, natutunan niya na akong mahalin. Diba? Like, what Si Andy, parang I haven't seen Andy for like, oh my, when was the last time I saw Andy? Parang last time ko siya nakita was last year pa ata. Oh. This is candy na parang basta masarap siya. It's really good. So, ganito. Oo, matagal na. Kasi, hindi nagtutugma ang schedule namin because she's studying. So, ang like ko nakita just earlier this year. Hi Paul. Uy, Paul, you know, si Jen, our Jennifer Tagocon is going to open a gym this May 11 na magbubukas. Kasi medyo malayo sa iyo sa The Orchard. Pero kung nagwo-work ka naman sa 'di ba nag-work ka sa San Fernando, di pag pauwi ka, dumaan ka doon, mag-over siya ng pound for pound sa Orchard, sa taas ng directly above Losmo. Yeah, meron siyang page, check mo. Pound for pound San Fernando, parang ganyan. Yeah, mag-remember nga ako dun Bakit mapula po ang leeg nyo? Oh, it's the heat. It's the heat. Sobrang init. Oo, Paul. Magbubukas sa May 11. So baka you might want to consider. Ako mag-member ako. Si Kaka baka mag-member din. Oh, yun. Ayan, bongga. Paul, see you soon. Magkita naman tayo minsan. Mag-catch up tayo. Diba? Oh my gosh. Hi Justin. Pa-shoutout naman from Pangasinan. See you soon, Paul. Hi. Ano ba ito? Hello Gabriel Chabs. Gabriel_Chabs. From next to yung buhok ko. From Pangasinan. Sige, isa pa. Hello to Gabriel Chabs from Pangasinan. Saan ka sa Pangasinan? I know Manawag. But I go there to go to church. The rest of it, not so much. I know Dagupan because masarap daw ang bangus doon. According to people. Ano yung Sipalay? Saan ang Sipalay? Hi Justin. Ano na pinagkakabalahan mo sa life ngayon? Well, if I don't have showbiz work, I do some work in our family's business. We do construction, so nasa site kami ngayon. So there's that. Parang, kumbaga, kasi showbiz work is, parang, paano lang, konti-konti. So, I have to work somewhere else. I have to live. So, dito sa aming maliit na family business, we do construction. So that's what I do. Grabe, ang taba ko sa video. Negros Occident, ang layo ha, nakakaloka. You know where I want to go? I want to go to Guimaras. Kasi masarap daw ang mangga sa Guimaras. Mango, the ripe mango is my favorite fruit ever. As in, I love ripe mango so much. Kaya, I wanna go to Guimaras kasi you can eat mango pizza, tapos mango na cheesecake, tapos everything mango actually. So, yun. Yun lang naman. Like, okay. Anyway guys, the engineer is here. I have to go down and speak to them. Okay. Ito na, dyan yung engineer ng house shopping ko. Bye! Bye!